And so sort of my first thought was like, that's fake. Like, I don't know why yet, but that's fake. That can't be real. And then I sort of investigated, and the answer is,
welcome to Dream Richer. What is the best way to make money in the crypto market? With so much information on the web out and ever-increasing crypto gurus, it can quickly get overcomplicated for a lot of newbies to the crypto space. Today, Sam Bankman-Fried, the CEO of FTX, discusses how he made his first $1 million with crypto. Surprisingly, it didn't majorly come from reading the charts or doing technical analysis. As Mr. Bankman will explain, his technique is called arbitrage. What is arbitrage? Simply put, arbitrage is a trading strategy in which a currency or trading instrument, such as a stock, a security, or a commodity, is purchased by a trader in one market and then almost simultaneously sold at a higher price in another market. The purpose of arbitrage is to generate profits from differences in the prices of identical or related financial instruments. The speed at which transactions in arbitrage trading are executed implies relatively low risk, although there is always some risk present due to low liquidity in the markets or fast-moving prices. Arbitrage is a technique mainly used in the Forex market, but it can still be used with Bitcoin till this day and can turn amazing profits if done correctly. If you find the video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe. Let's get right into it.
Looking at literally just looked at CoinMarketCap, and I clicked on Bitcoin. And I saw these numbers, like those aren't the same numbers, like I see a list of exchanges and prices, and the prices are different. And that's not like complicated arbitrage, or so I thought. I was like, literally that, like nothing that simple ever happens, but the numbers, they weren't even a little bit different. They're like 5-10% different. And so sort of my first thought was like, that's fake. Like, I don't know why yet, but that's fake. That can't be real. And then I sort of investigated, and the answer is half of it was fake, but half those exchanges were not real, but half them actually were. And there were some real arbitrages sprinkled in with the fake ones. And the real challenge back in 2017 was not finding a good trade. It was being able to do it. And the operational setup involved in it was just massive. Late 2017, early 2018, Japanese Bitcoins were just trading like 5 to 15% higher than American Bitcoins. Meaning you go on Bitflyer or CoinChecker, Bitbank, or one of the Japanese exchanges, and it's an $11,000 Bitcoin, and you go on Coinbase and it's a $10,000 Bitcoin. And so it's sort of like, there's an arbitrage. And that one was big. There's $1 billion a day trading on each side. So if you could do it, it sort of seemed like maybe you could do it big, which is pretty exciting because it's also like 10% a day. I don't know. It's a lot.
Besides arbitrage, there are so many other ways to make money with crypto. Let's briefly talk about the top 6. Number 1, investing. This is a long-term strategy of buying and holding crypto assets for some time. Crypto assets are generally well suited to a buy and hold strategy. They are extremely volatile in the short term, but have tremendous long-term potential for growth. Hence, why some people call it the HODL method. Second method, trading. While investing is a long-term endeavor based on the buy and hold strategy, trading is meant to exploit short-term opportunities of crypto's wild volatility. 3. Staking and lending. Staking is a way of validating crypto transactions. If you are staking, you own coins but you don't spend them. Instead, you lock the coins in a cryptocurrency wallet. 4. Crypto social media. Multiple blockchain-based social media platforms will reward you for creating and curating content. You are often rewarded with the native coin of the platform. 5. Mining. If you mine a cryptocurrency, you are rewarded with new coins. To mine, you need technical expertise and upfront investment in specialized hardware. And finally, method 6. Airdrops and forks. These are free tokens distributed by exchanges to generate awareness and can turn pretty awesome profits in some cases.
So then you try and do it and you fail for 12 reasons. and like so many reasons. It's so overdetermined. So what happens? Well, first of all, you realize you don't have a Coinbase account and there's a 3-month waiting list. You realize you don't have a Bitflyer account and you have to be Japanese to get one, and there's a 3-month waiting list. You get those, then you wire $100 as a test transfer to your Coinbase account, and your bank shuts down your bank account because they don't like crypto. Then you realize that you can only withdraw to a Japanese bank account from Bitflyer, and you need to be Japanese to have a Japanese bank account. So okay, you get a new bank account and you find a Japanese person or company or something. Now you have a Japanese bank account. Then you realize you have $3,000 a day withdrawal limits on Coinbase. And again, there's a 3-month waiting list to get your withdrawal limits raised. Then you realize that your Japanese bank account can't do international wire transfers. So it's not clear how you're getting the money out of Japan. And it's just like you go through so many things here. But in crypto, because of decentralization, one of the sort of side effects of this is that if you have to do something that touches a lot of different companies, you have to separately figure out logistics for every single one. And then there's like yield farming. And so basically wherever there's trading activity in crypto, there's sort of a place to provide liquidity and there's a place to make money by doing arbitrage if there's sort of enough demand and not enough supply.
It's clear from Mr. Bankman's explanation that there is no one way to succeed in crypto. You could take advantage of crypto's volatility to trade or take advantage of discrepancies between exchanges, also called arbitrage, or simply hold your crypto coins. Which method are you using right now to make profit with crypto? Let us know in comments below. To learn more about the latest crypto news, watch these videos here.